Shopping for gifts around the holiday season is no easy feat. And if you are somebody who is new to the gym yourself or has never even gone to the gym ever, it can be overwhelming shopping for a gym beginner. Individuals who just started working out are likely looking for some extra gear and items to make the gym process more enjoyable to take part in. I've decided to compile a few of the things that I would recommend for anyone shopping for somebody who is new to the gym. The great part about all of these products is that not all of them are going to break the bank. Many fitness gift guides encompass only tech and expensive gear, so this gives a few more options based on your budget. The links to these products will be based down below in the description, all the way from low to high price point. The first item is going to be a blender bottle with protein powder. If you have been around the gym, you have likely seen somebody with a blender bottle drinking something out of it. Likely they were drinking protein powder. Although you do not have to consume protein powder at the gym for the best results, having a blender bottle with some extra protein is a great way to increase protein intake throughout the day. The blender bottle also has a little tumbler which helps mixing of the drink. At $9 for the blender bottle and $40 for the protein I enjoy, this is a great starting point. Of course, we also have gym chalk. Once you have started lifting heavy weights, you may notice your hands are sweaty and you can't hold onto the bar as well. Adding some chalk for only $11 can be an excellent way to increase grip. If chalk is too messy for your gym, they also have liquid chalk available for only $12 as well. What would be a proper workout with a good pair of shoes? I personally enjoy the Nike Metcon line of shoes and the Odyssey line for different reasons. The Metcons I enjoy for during circuit training and weightlifting exercises, while the Odyssey I like better for running and walking. At around $150 based on the color, size, and availability, they are both great options to level up your workout. Those first three are great ideas, but this next one's even better. The next one is an at-home pull-up bar. If you are somebody who is trying to get your first pull-up, it can be an incredibly exciting and frustrating time. One of the best ways to do this is by getting an at-home pull-up bar to allow you to practice more often at home. For just $28, these bars are incredibly sturdy and attached to your door frame. In addition to this, you can also get a set of gymnastic rings to attach to the pull-up bar for other exercise as well. This is only $35. After lifting for a couple months, you may notice that you want to increase your performance even more. Some wrist wraps are a great way to do this, as they allow you to keep your wrists stable during specific exercises. For just $20, these are a must-have for those getting more serious in the gym. That one was perfect, but the next one's even better, and the next one is a massage gun. Honestly, one of the worst feelings is being stiff and sore after a hard workout. Having a massage gun can give you some relief to help get you back to your workouts. I have two separate massage guns, one that is generic for about $30, and also a Hypervolt, which I got for $199. Both work well, but if you're looking to get the best results, I would highly recommend the Hypervolt version. And of course, we can't forget about a lifting belt. If a person loves doing heavy squats and deadlifts, then a lifting belt might be another great option. The belt that I showed in the video is leather, however, this is pretty aggressive for beginners and expensive. This is why I'm going to recommend a Rogue soft lifting belt for only $40, which still provides great stability, but with a little more comfort. If you're going to the gym and getting all sweaty, you need a water bottle and potentially some pre-workout as well. Having a nice large water bottle makes going to the gym slightly more enjoyable. I enjoy using a Nike water bottle, which for only $20 gives you 32 ounces of space for whatever liquid you would like to drink. In addition to this, you can also pair the new bottle of water with some pre-workout. Pre-workout is a powder that has caffeine and other supplements to help wake you up on days you aren't quite feeling it. I like the Amino Energy line, and for just $35, that can get you started. By the way, the Strawberry Burst flavor literally tastes like pink Starburst. When you're going to the gym, nobody wants to listen to themselves breathing when they are working out, which is exactly why a new pair of headphones could be an excellent option for your gym beginner you are shopping for. If you're looking for a cheaper option, the Tozo T10 offer wonderful sound and quality for only $30. Always reliable, Apple AirPods will give you that perfect Apple quality for about $170. Now, a pair of adjustable dumbbells might not be on the price for everybody because they are $200. But if you are somebody who is going to be working out at home a lot or just simply enjoys working out a lot, these dumbbells are a must. They offer weight ranges from 6 pounds all the way up to 24 pounds in 3-pound increments, allowing you to complete a large variety of lifting activities. And last but not least is, of course, a lifting bag. You just got all that new fitness gear, what are you going to put it into? For $25, I love using the Reebok Drawstring backpack. I also used to use a $50 Nike duffel, which worked really well when I had a lot more gym gear, but now the drawstring bag works well for me too. Thanks for watching the video. All the products will be down in the description once again. You can also check out this next video on common mistakes that I made as a beginner in the gym. To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.